Electric vehicles are gaining popularity, but are they really more convenient and cost-effective than classic internal combustion engine cars? Let's analyze the pros, cons, real figures, and owner reviews. 1. Efficiency and economics. Electric motors operate with an efficiency of up to 90%, while gasoline engines are around 20%. However, when considering the entire energy production and transmission chain, electric vehicles don't always come out on top. The price of an EV is 15 to 20% higher, maintenance is cheaper, and electricity costs 2 to 3 times less than gasoline. Battery replacement after 8 to 10 years is a very expensive item of expenditure. Ultimately, the total cost of ownership for an EV and a gasoline car has roughly equalized, but only under the condition of home charging and careful operation. 2. Charging and infrastructure. Fast charging takes a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes, while normal charging can take up to 10 hours. Charging stations in regions and on highways are scarce, often occupied, or out of order. Trips must be planned in advance to avoid running out of charge. 3. Batteries, lifespan and dangers. Batteries last 10 to 15 years, losing capacity by about 1.8% per year. They poorly tolerate frost and heat. In winter, capacity can drop by up to 30%. Charging at sub-zero temperatures is limited, which creates problems in winter. Batteries are sensitive to deep discharge and constant charging to 100%, which shortens their lifespan. Batteries are a fire hazard. They can ignite in an accident, and putting out such a fire is difficult. 4. Electronics reliability and frequent breakdowns. Electric vehicles contain a lot of complex electronics, which break down more often than mechanical parts in conventional cars. Problems often arise with doors, dashboards, and control systems. In winter, due to electronic failures, some owners cannot start their cars and are forced to use public transport. Due to the weight of the batteries, suspension and tires wear out faster. 5. Problems with home charging. Charging from a regular outlet is very slow. A full charge can take up to 20 hours. Fast charging requires a separate power line or a home charging station, which incurs costs and requires approvals. In old houses, the electrical grid is often not designed for such a load, leading to overloads and risks. A three-phase network, 380 V, which reduces charging time, requires special equipment and permits. 6. Conclusion. An electric car is convenient for those who mostly drive in the city, have the option of home charging, and are willing to put up with limitations. For most drivers, however, the transition does not yet offer significant benefits and brings additional inconveniences. Summary. Switching to an electric car is not just about ecology, but also about lifestyle, budget, and readiness for compromises. Weigh all the pros and cons before buying. And this was Empyrean for the Short Content channel. Thank you for your attention. Bye.